Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a CapCut layer buttons is missing. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to the menu, then you need to go to settings, then you need to go to edit and make sure this option is deselected and save it. And if you want that layers should work on your project, if you just started the project and it will not work, what you need to do here is to completely close CapCut. And then once you open a CapCut, start a new project, right? And then import media to that particular project. And then, for example, if I put layers, then it should work for me here. You can see here, layers should appear. But if you started a project and the button here was not removed, and on edit this one, and then if you remove and continue with your project, layer will not be shown. You just need to start a new project after the button is removed and your layers, and you will have layer option. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.